Good morning, everybody. Today's March 17th. It's Wednesday. Very important day for markets today. If you've been tracking the headlines, today is the Federal Reserve's, the FOMC meeting. And this one, everybody is paying very close attention to for a whole lot of reasons. First and foremost, because people have been carefully looking at inflation expectations. This is something we've talked about multiple times, and there's a lot of concerns about inflation ticking up. We're looking at gold prices here today, trading in a pretty tight range, really not a whole lot going on. This is the last 3 days action here, trading about 1730 spot price. But let's take a look at what's on everybody's mind. This is the 30-year Treasury yield. You can see that it's trading up, and it's trading up significantly. So our market's going to call the Fed's bluff and see whether or not the Fed is going to address inflation expectations. Will the Federal Reserve put in yield cap controls? Nobody knows. So everybody's going to be keeping a close eye on this. Also wanted to share, I did a chart for this earlier. I'm going to show this a lot for you guys. We're going to start pricing things in gold for you so you have a better perspective as to the purchasing power of gold here. This is a chart of both the NASDAQ in the white line as well as the S&P 500 index in the blue line. Both of these are priced in gold. Now, as we look at everybody investing in the markets and you hear all the headlines about markets hitting new highs, it's very important to look at those highs and whether or not it's making new highs when priced in gold. Had we just simply looked at market returns in markets like Venezuela or Zimbabwe and looked at their stock markets, you would see that those stock markets just completely went through the roof. However, when repriced in gold, they really hadn't done anything. It's because there was currency devaluation. So this is a good fresh way to look at things. Again, we'll keep this going and do other types of instruments in this, other types of markets, so you can see what gold does for you as far as purchasing power. But it's a great reminder that you want to keep saving in gold, setting that aside, and making sure that you preserve your purchasing power. Start using Coro so that you can use gold in your communities and in your business. And that's how we're going to build resiliency coming forward. Thanks and have a great day.